Ultradent is proud to offer even more utility with the Ultrawave XS piezoelectric unit. Introducing the Ultrawave NiTiSonic Tip and Bottle Connector Kit. Cleaning in endodontics is fundamental. Continuous ultrasonic passive irrigation has been shown to be more effective in clearing apically placed debris compared with other irrigation methods. Ultrasonic activation of the irrigants result in a better irrigation of the lateral canals and isthmus. The NiTiSonic Tip is less likely to cause apical pressure, sometimes associated with syringe delivery. Vibrations allow an acoustic streaming effect, catalyzation of chemical reactions, and cavitation inside the canal. Continuous ultrasonic passive irrigation allows for quick and simple debris removal. To further simplify the procedure for continuous ultrasonic passive irrigation, Ultradent now offers the bottle connector and base adapter for the Ultrawave XS. This allows for a simple and easy way to switch irrigants mid-procedure. Screw on the valve cap. Attach the bottle to the Ultrawave XS. Connect the NiTiSonic Tip. Adjust power to 4 on Ultrawave XS. The green color will be shown on tip. Adjust volume of irrigant. Press pedal to engage. After finishing the procedure, flush with water. The NiTiSonic Tip allows access to the full working length of the canal. It provides an effective way to perform continuous ultrasonic passive irrigation while the bottle connector saves you time and minimizes waste. Contact your Ultradent sales representative today for more information.